Unlock a world of custom products on your WordPress store without the hassle of inventory with this definitive guide to integrating Printify. First things first, we need to connect Printify to your WordPress site's e-commerce backbone, which is usually WooCommerce. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, then navigate to the plugins section and select Add New. In the plugin search bar, type Printify and locate the official Printify for WooCommerce plugin. Click Install Now, and once it's installed, hit Activate to get it up and running. Now, log into your Printify account within your Printify dashboard. You'll find an option to connect to a new store. Select WooCommerce, and you'll be prompted to enter your WordPress website URL. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection between Printify and your WooCommerce store. Once connected, you can start populating your WordPress store with Printify products. Browse the Printify catalog, select your desired products, and customize them with your designs. When you publish a product from Printify, it automatically synchronizes to your WordPress WooCommerce store as a new product, complete with descriptions, pricing, and images. The real magic happens with automated order management. When a customer purchases a Printify product from your WordPress site, the order is automatically sent to Printify. Printify then handles the printing, packing, and shipping of the product directly to your customer, updating the order status back in your WooCommerce store. This entire streamlined process means you can focus on marketing and growing your brand, while Printify takes care of the production and logistics, offering you a truly seamless print-on-demand experience right within your WordPress environment. Happy selling!